Do you want to learn how to make a paper rocket? It's super easy. To build your rocket, you only need a straw, some paper, tape, and scissors. Let's make a green rocket. First, you have to roll the paper around the straw, just like that. Once it is rolled, just use some tape to make sure it stays in place. It doesn't work when I blow. Why? Because you need to close the end of the rocket so that the air doesn't escape. Again, use tape to make sure it's properly closed. Let's try again. Now, it's time for you to build your own rocket. How big will it be? How far will it go? Add some fun things like wings, write your name on it. It's really up to you. Build your rocket and have fun.